Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Starts and Bars. This is the first video of 100 Days English Speaking Challenge. Hi, I am Nishant. I am starting this 100 Days Speaking journey to improve my English and communication skills. If you are the person who struggle to speak English confidently and fluently, join me and improve with me. Why this challenge? I started this challenge because I am also the person who struggle to speak English confidently. Common struggle. Many beginners struggle to speak English confidently because they are afraid to make mistakes. But in my point of view, mistakes are common and normal. To overcome this problem, the only solution is to practice. The daily practice is a key improvement to improve our communication skills. So, in our channel, we decided to post daily videos that depends on various topics. In that videos range should be 5 to 10 minutes. Preparing 5 to 10 minutes is enough to overcome this issue fastly. We can practice together as a community, and here no pressure. Mistakes are normal. There is one quote that was written by someone, I don't remember that name. They said, do what you fear and fear disappears. So, ready to make mistakes. This is the first step to achieve our goal. Here, how viewers will grow. In our channel, I am posting videos continuously based on different topics, maybe stories or current affairs or related to tech and more. You can develop your English by watching those videos and collecting some new vocabulary that will improve your English knowledge and give a confidence to speak English in a day-to-day conversations. So don't wait, join the journey, subscribe our channel and command your progress. Consistency is always greater than perfection because consistency, if you are consistent in doing it, you can achieve it easily and powerfully. So let's start today. The journey of 1,000 miles begin with a single step. Never forget this quote. This is one of the powerful quote. In Tamil also there is one similar proverb called Sirudili Peruvallam. That means single drop to make oceans. So don't wait. Let's begin the journey. Thank you.